Hi artists! Would you like to learn drawing or improve your art skills? Then you should join your art classroom, a Discord server just for that. Watch this video for more information. When you will join the server, you will have first to submit an application. One of the things you will precise is the classroom you want to join. You will study with people of the same classroom. There are three classrooms: generalist, peopleist, and renderist. Generalist is great for beginners and artists who want to improve on everything. It covers everything from the basics of the basics, drawing backgrounds, to composition or design. And of course, it includes everything in the peopleist and renderist classroom. You can understand from this that a cycle is pretty long to complete. What if you want to improve a specific set of art skills for now? Maybe the peopleist classroom is for you. Here we will work on skills that will help you to draw people, anatomy, face construction, cloth folds, hairs or fur. And what if your drawing skills are good enough, but your coloring is really weird, your art looks flat, and your shading is bad? You'll learn everything you need in the renderist classroom. Shading, color theory, and texture will help you enhance your artworks. Remember, if you want to improve faster, you have to study. So don't wait! Click on the link in the description and join us today!